station is Deal.
Welcome to episode 5 of Christmas with EWS Trains. We are here at Deal for the test train. The 1428 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to St Pancras International, 395014 Dean Rasher Smith. We're 5014 Dean Rasher Smith to St Pancras International via Ashford. The 1431 South Eastern service from St Pancras International to Ramsgate. Three 5028 Laura Trot. The 1432 South Eastern service from St Pancras International to Ramsgate. It's barely on the move and it was sparking. Three 5028 to Ramsgate. The slightly early 1438 Network Rail Colours Rail service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. Sounds like it's on diesel. The train we've got 73965 Des O'Brien with 6263 1256 999 550 9523 recently repainted to look new 73961. Crossing down points. Point. Set. The 1448 Colours Rail service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard, the shiny 73961 Allison. But I think during the RHTT season this was sent up to Eastleigh to be repainted because I think something went wrong with its engine. They fixed the engine and gave it a repaint to make it look shiny and new. Seventy three nice one. 999550 1256 and 7395 Desert Brian. To Tunbridge West Yard, find the rest of Peace Kent. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.